Yeah, good morning, guys, and man happened to our friends there in the Philippines. Well, guys, it's that time of year, that everyone in the Philippines hates. No, it's not the annoying Christmas songs that you hear in every store that you go to, or the annoying loudspeaker announcements from vans driving around the towns and the local barangays. It's the tax filing time of year. Yes, that's right, guys. Every registered corporation, every partnership, every self-employed person should know without watching this video that tax filing season is here. Before we start the video, just let me read out you the laws regarding about tax payment in the Philippines. Tax 101, according to the 1997 National Internal Revenue Code, not filing your required tax returns is a crime, classed as a crime. Section 255 states that any person required to make a return but willfully fails to make such a return upon conviction are subject to the following. Could be a penalty of not less than 10,000 pesos and imprisonment if not less than 1 year but not more than 10 years. So there you have it, guys, the law in all its glory. So without further ado, now let's talk about our favourite farmer and taxes, shall we? Yeah, guys, I'm sure Brian, Maricel and Gina have not posted any videos about paying their taxes because they were all very busy on the BIR Zoom seminar a couple of days ago, learning how to use the e-filing form on the BIR website. But I'm certain they will get around to posting a video about their experience. Don't forget, guys, Brian's own channel description is how to get licenses and permits in the Philippines. And I'm sure as a YouTube influencer on moving to the Philippines and running a successful business in the Philippines, he will also educate his audience about registration of businesses and paying taxes. Correct, Brian? So that does raise some questions that we need to ask about our beloved field farmer. And that is, does Brian or Maricel have any businesses registered with the Department of Trade and Industry? Well, just take a look at this next screenshot. Yeah, guys, what you can see on the screen, taken from the BIR website search engine, you will see that Marine Aqua Farming is registered with the DTI, and also MB Piggery is also registered. So Maricel, quite clearly, Maricel Smith on both certificates there is the owner. So of course Maricel will be busy doing her tax filing. There it is, there's the evidence. Marine Aqua Farming and MB Piggery. Now let's take a look at this next screenshot. Yes, guys, on this screenshot the question is, a foreigner farming in the Philippines, Brian Gramble Smith, does he have his YouTube channel registered with the DTI, Department of Trade and Industry? And quite clearly on the screen what you can see is, no, he does not. Does Maricel's Homestead Kitchen, Is that registered with the DTI? Quite clearly, it is not. And then, of course, we have Gina and Red the Journey. We also tried Gina Francisco, her surname, and unfortunately, Gina's been very naughty and she's not registered with the DTI. So, guys, just to let everyone know, if they do not know already, any income filing is based on three things. The income the business or the businesses have earned during the year of running your business, not profit. We need to make that clear. The taxman wants to know what you have earned in money, number one. Number two, the expenses you might have paid during the year of running your business. And number three, and finally, any tax you might have paid during the year of running your business, the tax year. So guys, we already know that Marcel has the self-employed business of MP Piggery, and that piggery was trading last year of 2021. So, is Marcel filing her income tax report to the BIR? Has Marcel included all the pig sales, including the sales of pigs online to subscribers during the Buy a Pig charity scam? And how much income did MB Piggery earn in 2021, Marcel? Of course, guys, we're only joking. Of course, Marcel and Brian don't know the answers to these basic business questions because they don't keep records, and all their receipts are in a plastic bag hanging on the back of the door. We also know that Brian, yes, Boss Hog, has a very successful YouTube channel. Actually, guys, it's so successful, it's in the top 1%. And you can clearly see the silver plaque they received from YouTube hanging proudly on the wall for their 100,000 subscribers. So, Brian, you must have filed your income tax report, or is at least preparing it as we speak, because he's very organised. He's a very organised businessman who always prepares early and is in the top 1% of farmers who research and plan their ventures. And then, of course, the question is, how much income did a foreigner farming in the Philippines YouTube channel earn in 2021? Has Brian included all his monthly payments from Google, including, of course, the income sent from subscribers via PayPal and other cash apps? Brian was very smart the other day to show us his income from YouTube. That screenshot, Brian, came in very handy the next time we talk to the BIR. So thanks very much for that, Brian. It was very good of you. Guys, as we showed in an earlier screenshot, we also know that Marcel has another registered business with a DTI called Marine Aqua Farming, covering the milkfish ocean pen and the shrimp pond. I'm sure poor old Marcel is really busy to work out all the numbers for this one, as of course half the fish were sold for the business and the other half was sold in secret, so Jason and Jen couldn't take any profit. Correct? So it's going to be very hard for Brian and Marcel to answer a simple question of how much income did Margarine Aqua Farming earn in 2021. Because they would have to remember the lies they told Jason, Jen and their subscribers. And of course some of those lies would be the squids ate all the fish, or was it Gabrielle stole the fish? Oh wait, it wasn't Gabrielle at all. It was a neighbour who stole the fish while Gabrielle was on vacation for 2 weeks without telling anyone. Or was it Brian and Marcel stole the fish so they wouldn't have to share the money with Jason and Jen? And guys, don't forget the shrimp project. The neighbours stole and sold the shrimp, don't forget. And the second time around, Linda, yes, Linda stole and sold the shrimp. So many lies and excuses, it's hard to keep up. But are they lies? Can one guy who is a skilled businessman just be so unlucky all of the time? You can be the judge of that. And now guys, last but not least is Marcel's YouTube channel. Yes, Marcel's Homestead Kitchen. This girl is going to be busy, very, very busy, with all the tax filing for all her businesses and sorting through all the receipts and records. Will she have time to file for her YouTube channel? That's the question. Again, will Marcel be including all the PayPal income from her subscribers? And exactly how much did Marcel's Homestead Kitchen earn in the year 2021? Does she even know the difference between personal income and the income from her businesses? I do hope she has not mixed up what is personal and what is business income. Of course, I do hope she remembers all the lies her husband remembers all the lies her husband has told on her behalf. But don't worry, Marcel. If you have forgotten his lies, we can make some more videos to to remind you if you like. Just leave a comment below and we will help you out anytime. He's told many lies and we have them all on video. So guys, there you have it. Brian and Marcel, they're going to be busy, guys, filing, or should I say filling in the 1701 form on the BIR website. So don't expect any videos coming out of the BOHOVEL for a few days as they get all their farm accounts and personal accounts in order and search through that plastic bag full of receipts. And also, I do hope they have kept the receipts of the tilapia sales before Christmas from the seller in the dark car park. It would be a shame if the BIR to see that video of you trying to hide income from the tax department. Be very careful there. And to finish off this video, guys, here is a short reminder about taxes from the BIR Facebook page. Yes, guys, income tax filing season is upon us, and this screenshot was taken from the BIR Facebook page, and I'm quite sure quite sure that the clan, the BOHOVEL clan, will be doing their bit to help the Philippine nation recover from the coronavirus pandemic, which has affected the economy, by paying their taxes on time. So, till the next time, guys, bye for now.